I'm going to show you that. So don't skip ahead, guys. Don't skip ahead. If you skip ahead, you might miss this interesting thing that this fantastic machine can do. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Blackie Stone, and I am back with another sublimation video. Guys, super excited for this video because I've fallen in love with this method using sublimation ink with DTF adhesive. Guys, I've done it before. If you need a step-by-step method to do this, I'll link that video right up here. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask those questions below, comment below, and if you find value within the video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps this video and in any other video that we release get out into the world, guys. We are continuing to learn and grow, making mistakes on the way, guys. See, we make the mistakes so that you don't have to. So guys, with that being said, let's get to pressing. We're going to be using our SG500 as our printing source, guys. It's our sublimation printer that prints on an 8.5 by 11 up to 8.5 by 14. We're going to be using our DTF film as well as our DTF adhesive from In Goodies. That's the name of the company that made the product, guys. We have a 15 by 15 heat press from Heat Press Nation with the bottom platen that slides in and out as our heating source to cure that adhesive onto that DTF film. I'm going to show you a method how to make your heating press hover. We also are going to be using a 100% cotton t-shirt, guys. Yes, we're going to be breaking all kind of rules today. We're not going to be printing on a polyester t-shirt. We're going to be printing on a 100% cotton t-shirt from Bella Canvas, guys. A premium t-shirt. We found an image off of Etsy, a very appropriate image from Etsy, being that it's October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, guys. We have our image ready and it's ready to print. All I have to do, guys, is get over to our computer and send it over to our SG500 so that our SG500 can get to working. Let's get on with this video, guys, and get to pressing. Let's go. Okay, guys, we got our print ready. And just like always, guys, we got to work pretty fast here. So what we're going to do is sprinkle some of this powder over our print. Doesn't look like much. I'm hoping everything comes out right. Gonna print that up just like so and go back and forth. We're going to go back and forth until the entire image is covered over this print. Okay. And once everything at the same time, guys, we want to make sure that we don't touch the ends of this print. And I think what I'm going to do is do that process one more time. Remember, guys, work fast, and if you're using your heating press as a palette to work on, make sure that your image itself is not on your bottom platen before you put this adhesive on, because what's going to happen is the ink is going to start reacting, and when you go put the DTF adhesive on it, it's not going to stick. So we want the DTF adhesive on this print while it's wet. That's the best way for it to stick to it. So let's get this out the way, and what we're going to do is put this image off to the side real quick. after we take this bottom paper off. Okay, put this off to the side. And what we're going to do is prepare our heating press, guys. Let's put this print off to the side. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how we're going to prepare our heating press. Let's get our butcher paper out the way. Sorry for the noise, guys. Hope that. Okay. So our heating press is pushed in, right? And what you see here is the heating press is just hovering, right? The heating press is just hovering over right now. So there's no contact on the bottom platen. What you want to do is tighten that up, because what we want is this bottom platen to be hot. We want this bottom platen to be hot. So the top platen has to touch the bottom platen. And what I have is it's all the way up right now, so we got to bring this down. So and all you have to do is, okay, so that's too tight. You got to unloosen that some. Okay, and we have our heating press heated up to what, 337 degrees. Okay, I think what I want to do, I want to heat it up a little bit hotter than that, because I'm going to press this at around 370, 360. So I'm gonna heat it. I'm gonna press this at 360. So what we're gonna do is get that bottom platen hot, guys. Get that bottom platen hot. And what you have here, that's all the way down, right? So now what we have is a surface that's really nice and hot. What we want to do is put our image on real nice, right? Nice and tight. And now what we want to do is untighten the top platen so that when it goes down, it doesn't touch all the way, right? That way your heating press will hover, right? And at the same time, it allows your image to bake, right? And that's what we have now. So that's the hack, guys. So, well, that's not the hack. This is the trick to get your DTF adhesive to cure. You want it to hover. Every machine does this. When it goes to clamp, you're able to adjust that pressure so that it clamps to a soft pressure, a medium pressure, or a heavy pressure. But most importantly, guys, what we don't want any pressure at all. We don't want that top platen touching the bottom platen. So we just want it to hover, right? And what's interesting about this process, as we unscrew it so that when you bring it down, it doesn't kiss each other, it's actually hovering. What it does, it sets the timer for you. So however long you want this to cure is how long it's going to be there. And then the alarm will go off, especially if you have a heating press with a timer. Majority of your heating presses will have that timer. But that's the hack, guys. That's what you've learned. So like I said, if you found value within the video up to this point, guys, give me your thumbs up. I'll be right back. I'm going to print the next image and get it ready to be cured. What it do, YouTube? If you found value up to this point in the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Guys, we release videos just like this on a weekly basis, so make sure that your post notifications are set to all. That way, the next time we drop another banging video, you will be notified. With that being said, guys, back to your program. Gang. Okay, guys, just doing a little bit of B-roll on this particular t-shirt. Just pointing out some flaws. This is the messed up t-shirt. I made 2 t-shirts, guys. This is the messed up t-shirt. I kind of mirrored the t-shirt before it dried and messed up the t-shirt, guys. I'm gonna actually put this t-shirt through the wash test. You can see some little pixelations in this shirt. But all in all, it's not a bad looking shirt if I hadn't have messed it up right here. Okay, now here's the t-shirt that I'm kind of proud of, guys. Right here. Okay, here's a t-shirt, a successful press. Again, it's not the same t-shirt. There's no mirrored image where I didn't allow it to dry. This t-shirt right here, guys, I'm going to give to my daughter, so I'm not going to wash it. I'll let her go through the wash test. A lot of times before, when I try out different options, what I'll do is give them to the family members, let them wear them and go through the whole process, and they'll give me feedback on the t-shirt, see if it holds up or anything like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna compare this t-shirt to the one that we messed up on, okay? I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna put that other t-shirt that we messed up into the wash, put it through the wash cycle, and we'll be right back right after that, guys. All right, I'll meet you downstairs, the wash machine. I'm gonna go as far as not even washing the shirt inside out, guys. So it's gonna go through the cycle and we'll be right back. Remember, this is the t-shirt that was messed up. There it is right there. That's the mark. Okay, I'm gonna put it on, what, a normal wash. Do I need the wrinkle? No. Wrinkle control delicates? Nope. Rapid wash? Nope. Oh, it's over there. As you guys can tell, I do wash, but I'm still not familiar with this new wash machine. Okay, it's on medium. It's on medium, so medium temperature. Let's go, guys. It's gonna be on for 55 minutes, and let's get it to go on. Let's get it going. Press start. There we go. Okay, guys, we got the t-shirt out of the wash. Just give you some little bit of B-roll. These stains right there, those stains are intentional. They were there before. As you can tell, guys, the colors are still there on this t-shirt. Sublimation DTF. The only unintentional part, which is still there. Unintentional part is still there. This is the messed up t-shirt. What I'm going to do is put this t-shirt in the dryer. We can tell that it survived the wash. Now let's see if it will survive the dryer. Again, guys, I'm not gonna fold this t-shirt inside out before I put it in. I'm gonna put it in just like that. So when it's done, we'll be back and we'll finish up the video. Let's go. Let me put a couple dryer sheets in there. so it can smell good. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna put it on normal. Being that it is a full load, guys, I'm just gonna put it on for 45 minutes. Press start. And I'll see you guys in 45 minutes. Okay guys, we are back in the lab after a completed wash and dry test of our t-shirt. That's the air on the t-shirt. The colors still look vibrant, guys. The feel, the touch is still the same. You can tell that it's a raised material, but it's not like vinyl or flock or anything like that, guys. It still feels good. It looks good. I'm confident that this whole process, you can get multiple washes out of this whole process, guys. My question to you, would you sell a t-shirt like this in your t-shirt and garment decorating business, knowing that it came from a sublimation to DTF process? Comment below, let me know. Guys, these marks on the t-shirt, like I was saying, they were intentional. I decided to put those marks on the t-shirt so as to, you know, complete it somewhat. I wanted the t-shirt to be more full. I wanted to pop a little bit more, so I accented the t-shirt with those marks. That video will be coming up next if you're interested in learning that process. More like a splash method, guys. But like I said, guys, comment below if you want to see the other t-shirt. Let me put the other t-shirt on the table. Okay, guys, this is the t-shirt that I'm going to give to my daughter. Hope she likes it. Like I said, I didn't wash this t-shirt. We're gonna let her send it through the process, and then she'll give me feedback on how many different washes that this particular method was able to do. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Comment below, guys. Give me a thumbs up for the video, and go ahead and subscribe. Post notifications set to all, guys. With that being said, I'm gonna say to you like I always say: peace, love, and respect. Gang.